Hi, today I will gonna show you how to make a lot plan with a bearing. Let's start. I made a copy already with the lot bearing 5 distance, and we're gonna make it like this one, at distance less than sign or angle bracket, and the orientation south 90 degrees 45, call this sign, no, and then west minutes. Yes, okay, let's start. It's either you're gonna make a polyline or a line command. So let's just say polyline. PL, enter, pick anywhere. Let's say because it's south and southwest, means south going from here. So south going from here, west, because what we have here, southwest. So most probably it should be going here, or yes, correct, should be going from this distance, because southwest, no, we have southwest here orientation. Okay, let's say at distance is 104.35. we are in millimeter, so, or let's say we're in centimeter, 104.35. instead of point, we'll make it straight, 104.35. so 104.35 less than, or the angle bracket, south. We'll copy the bearing size or bearing distance, 64, south 64 degrees. Instead of degrees, we'll just type in D, and then the other one 59, then the minutes, and then west, then enter. So I think it's big. We'll try to make it exactly with the point. Undo again. So 104.35, but first it should be at 104.35 bracket, angle bracket, or less than, south 64 degrees D, then 59 minutes, then west, W, enter. Now it's very small. Now it's getting smaller. Okay, we're just gonna make this thing small, this text scale, enter, pick somewhere here, 0.1. now it's okay. Now line again, or PL, enter, endpoint, and then 2 to 3, distance 2 to 3, that is at 69.64, angle bracket, or less than, north 25 D degrees 1 minutes, west, enter, and then continue. Do not make an enter again, just continue. Do not make escape unless you want to break the line. Then continue, and at again, at 4, then angle bracket less than, north 19 D 59 minutes, E for the east, enter. Then again at what's that, 101.52 angle bracket or less than in the keyboard, that is north, 64 D, 59 minutes east, enter. Then again at 72.47 angle bracket or less than, is it angle bracket or bracket angle? Less than, south, 25 D, 1 minutes east. See, like that. So it is exactly a little only. So what will happen is, we'll just, it's either you connect this to here, in here, or you're just gonna trim it like this, or we're just gonna connect it from here like that. For me, I'll just make a trim. So because why I'm gonna trim it instead of stretching this thing to here, because when you're gonna draw a building or structure with this property line, better that it is little smaller than it went bigger. Because if the surveyor or geodetic check the line, the lot, maybe it's coming greater than the bearing, or than the square meter, you'll be having problem with your structure. So better to have a little deduction for the safe side. So we'll just gonna trim it like this. Then we're just gonna put this. So what you do is we're just gonna copy, make it smaller. I'll just remove this thing first. That one, remove the bearing name, then make this thing smaller, scale, let's say 0.5, again scale 0.5. I think that one is 0.5 again. I think that one's okay. Now we're just gonna move it, copy into 5, 1. What happened? It's thinking to copy. It's thinking to copy. Okay, 1, 4, 5. Why 5? Because what we'll do is I'm just gonna delete this thing. Delete, delete, delete. This is the 3 to 4. Delete, delete. Then this is 4 to 5. Delete. Then this is 5 to 1. Okay, now we're just gonna make this thing here 1, 2, 3, the 4 meters, 4, and 5. So what's next? I'll just make a line, AL, align, select, enter, point to the end of this number on the top, put it here parallel, then again on the end of the top, or on the nearest to the top of the number, and then enter. See, it's now aligned to the line. Again, align, enter. No, align, AL, enter. Select the word, enter. Pick to the top of this number, put it to this line. Always remember to OSNAP. Then second, it says here second source point, then here, and then second destination point anywhere on this line. Enter. Then move. This one, I don't think that we have to move it. We're just gonna make this thing enter here, make it justify like this. That here, we're just gonna make it again, align, enter, select, enter. From this bottom of the number, put here, bottom of the number, put here, enter. Then move that, then here, align again, enter, select, enter. Bottom, put here, bottom, put here, enter. Move. So you have now a, let's put the line layer like this, that. Then you can know now we'll just copy this thing again, make it smaller, escape, smaller, SC, scale, select, enter, point, base point, 0.1, like this, a little bigger, scale, enter, select, enter, pick to the center, 1.2. Yes, now we're just gonna put here total area. How to know the total area? I'm just gonna enter now. Since this is a polyline, no need to hatch it, it's already polyline. Just type in MO, enter, object properties, select this polyline. The area is 757. Area is 7557. 755.79 square meter. How can we know that this is 755? Make a calculator. 75579. Calculator. How to use it? How to check? We have here, this is 69, and we have here that is 104. Just one length, one distance, and then the other distance. 69, 104. This is only for reference. 104 times 69. Enter. No. 104 times 69. 7,000. So this is 7,176. So this is 7,557.9 square meter. Correct? Again, 104 times 69. Enter. Yes, 7,176. But because we're here it's different, 72, this is 69. So we assume that this is 1000, not 100. And that's it. Thank you. Practice, practice, practice. Thank you.